Fit fam, Mig here with Army Combat Fitness test progression. We're gonna go ahead and get into the hand release push-up. I'll show you a demonstration at the end of these progression exercises, but I like to use a straight bar and lay flat on the floor. This is gonna strengthen your chest muscles, and it's also gonna keep you, it's also gonna simulate breaking the plane as well, reverse breaking the plane, if that makes any sense. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You can use whatever weight you need to. I'm just gonna use the bar itself. If you don't have a bar, you can also use dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use pretty much anything that has weight on it. You're gonna wanna do this in conjunction with regular push-ups, but also you're gonna wanna also work on the actual push-up release. That way you can get the form down of putting your hands out. Now that I got my bar, I'm gonna do a nice width apart. Everything flat. Keep in mind, you're gonna wanna do a high volume with these, or you could also do your traditional bench presses, but I like to do it on the floor because it leaves everything neutral, breaking the plane. So let me go ahead and demonstrate the actual hand release push-up. The hand release push-up is basically almost everything the traditional push-up way, except for you're gonna do a hand release and have your arms out. So it's gonna look like this. Alright, so that was the hand release push-up. Okay people, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope the tutorial was beneficial for you. I hope that you all max out the Army Combat Fitness test and just continue to keep working hard and getting stronger at it. And remember, you only got one life. Stay humble, be great. Love yourself so you can love somebody. And I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.